Jianshui is also known as Lin'an, same as Hangzhou's ancient name. Chaoyang Building, built in the early Ming Dynasty ruled by Hongwu Emperor, predates Tiananmen Square in Beijing. After more than 600 years, it still towers in southern Yunnan. The Daban well built in the same period still provides clear and sweet water. Not far from the ancient town, an endemic aquatic plant is growing freely. People who see it for the first time would mistake it for weeds. Actually, underneath the mud lies fresh and crisp vegetable. Grass shoots have young rhizomes as edible parts. It's laborious to pick them since you have to search for them underwater. Grass shoots can be picked all the year round. It is as wide as an index finger and cone-shaped at the top. It is also known as tusk herbs for its shape. Grass shoots are crisp, tender, sweet, and delicate, and can be cooked in any methods. Jianshui people can make a grass shoots banquet to make the best out of it. The chopping board is the starting point to shed the roots and enter the palace. Being chopped, sliced, and shredded, grass shoots in different forms will start their own journeys. Raw grass has the original taste. Mix them with home-cooked seasonings. The dish delivers spicy, sour, and crisp tastes. Sauce of passion fruit with lemon juice and honey produces the refreshing and sour taste. Stir-fry it with pork. It will be a perfect dish that goes well with rice. A stir-fried beef tenderloin with grass shoots on iron plate, tender and sweet. Stir-fry grass shoots with shrimp and lilium bulbs. A bite will deliver savory and sweet taste. Stir-fry it with locally pickled goat milk-like vegetables. The dish is sour and appetizing. Bind grass roots and various meats and vegetables into bundles with leeks. Arrange them into two similar delicacies with different tastes. After steaming, water it with sauce mixed with pig bone soup and chicken soup. It is a grass shoot cuisine that is novel, salty, delicate, and slightly sweet. Grass shoots can be cooked in raw and be coated. Wrap the grass shoots in batter, deep fry in oil. Pour sweet and sour sauce. The taste puts you in a breeze. Even hidden in the meatballs, it is leading factor for sweetness and crispness. Stew chicken with grass leads to savory and sweet taste. With seed bracken, it is a unique spicy and sour dye-style dish. Add chicken juice after blanching the whole pieces of grass shoots. In simple way makes delicate flavor. Being added in the crossing the bridge noodles, it is the finishing touch. Being added in egg liquid and cooked with steamed pot, it is a scramble for chopsticks. Grass shoots have grown out of watery land, and their flavor melts in teeth. It has sweet, tender, and delicate flavor, restrained and inclusive. In the cycle of the four seasons, it never fears ups and downs. While the wind comes and goes in Jianshui, the grass shoots keep growing wildly.